Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. Today I'm making pulled chicken barbecue. We're going to go over some of my ingredients here. We have all of my spices, and we have 2 large packs of chicken breast, brown sugar, and chicken broth, and we have my measuring cups there also. I'm going to pick up the chicken to show you. A lot of chicken. So we're going to go ahead and get started. To make my pulled chicken barbecue, I'm going to be making it in my crock pot. And here I have my crock pot bowl on top of my stove, and I'm just going to start placing in all the chicken breast into there, and it will fit both packs of the chicken breast. And I am wearing a glove to be more safe and clean about everything. So here's the first pack in, and I'm going to go ahead and open the second pack and get that in. And then once everything's placed in there, then I'll start to add in my spices and everything. So just going to finish this up and we'll get ready to add in our spices. I know in a previous video y'all have seen me make my pulled pork barbecue. This is basically the same type of way, but it's with chicken, so it's going to be healthier. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this. Okay, up next is adding in our spices. So our first step is to start with 2 cups of chicken broth, and we will add one later on. And I'm going to have all the ingredients in the top left corner there through this whole segment of my video. So if you want to go ahead and grab your pen and paper so you can write down the ingredients that go into this barbecue chicken, it's perfect timing right now. So here we have our second cup of chicken broth. And then we're going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Looks so good. And then up next, we're going to have 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm just going to sprinkle this all over top. And don't worry, we will mix this up after everything is added in. And then next we're going to have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And if you like a little bit more spice or kick, you can add more to this. And then up next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then I have chopped a whole white onion, and that I'm just going to add in now. You can do white onion, yellow onion, whatever you prefer. And then we're going to add 1 more cup of chicken broth. So that's why you see in the top left there 3 cups. Okay, so that's a very easy and simple recipe. And now we're going to mix everything up well, move the chicken around, get all those flavors, you know, marinating with each other. It smells so good with all the spices in the air. And to be honest, I actually really like this pulled chicken better than the pulled pork. Okay, so this is looking really good, and we're gonna get ready to set this bowl into our crock pot and let this cook for a few hours. Take this glove off. Okay, so here we have our chicken in our crock pot ready to go, and we're gonna cook on high for 4 hours. Alright, it's been a couple hours in. We're gonna check this out. It's looking really good and it's starting to fall apart. It's not quite done yet. I mean, the chicken is done, but we're just gonna let it sit for a little bit longer, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna pull the chicken apart. Yum! So delicious, and it smells amazing. Okay, I've shredded up the chicken, so I'm gonna get ready to make my plate here soon, but let's just look at all this beautiful pulled chicken barbecue. It smells amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna plate my sandwich now, and the sauce that I have here in the video is a North Carolina barbecue sauce. I will have a video of that. It's going to be the next video I post on my channel after this, so be looking forward to seeing that. Oh, this looks so good. And I just want to dedicate a special video just for the barbecue sauce. So if you ever want to go back to my channel, you can just find it very easy. So this looks amazing, smells amazing. And to go with this, I'm just going to have a salad tonight. Yum. Okay, so I have some cucumbers, some tomatoes, and some peppers chopped up with some Italian dressing over top. And I'm just going to sprinkle some feta cheese on top of there, and that's going to be my dinner. And I'm going to have some pictures here at the end. Thanks for watching Mandy's Planet. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you want. Bye.